Morocco. Imagine bustling souks, vibrant colors, and the scent of spices in the air. This North African jewel offers a feast for the senses. One aroma stands out: Moroccan spiced coffee. Moroccan coffee is not just a drink, it's an experience. It's a symbol of hospitality, shared with family and friends. The aroma alone is inviting, drawing you into a world of warmth and tradition. From ancient cities to nomadic tents, coffee holds a special place in Moroccan culture. It's a daily ritual, a time to connect and share stories. Let's explore the magic of Moroccan spiced coffee. Let's brew a cup together. Moroccan spiced coffee is a celebration of flavors. Each spice plays a unique role, creating a harmonious blend. Let's uncover their secrets. Cinnamon, with its warm sweetness, forms the base. Cardamom adds a citrusy, floral note. Ginger brings a hint of heat and depth. And cloves, a touch of warmth and intensity. These spices aren't just for flavor, they have health benefits too. Cinnamon is known for its antioxidants. Cardamom aids digestion. Ginger soothes the stomach. Cloves have antibacterial properties. Moroccan spiced coffee is a treat for your body and soul. It's a delicious way to enjoy the goodness of spices. Now, let's brew. Ready to embark on a flavor adventure? Let's dive into the world of spiced Immi coffee, a delightful blend that will tantalize your taste buds. We'll use a French press for a rich, authentic taste. Don't worry, it's easy. The French press method ensures that all the flavors are perfectly extracted. First, gather your ingredients: Immi coffee, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and cloves. These spices will add a warm, aromatic touch to your coffee. You can use pre-ground spices or grind them fresh for a more intense aroma. Freshly ground spices will elevate the flavor profile of your coffee. Heat water to a near boil. The right temperature is crucial for extracting the best flavors from the coffee and spices. Add 1 tablespoon of Immi coffee per cup to your French press. Adjust the amount based on how strong you like your coffee. Add a pinch of each spice. Adjust to your liking. Feel free to experiment with the quantities to find your perfect blend. Pour hot water over the mixture, stir gently, and let it steep for 4 to 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Press the plunger slowly and steadily. This ensures a smooth, rich brew without any grit. Pour into your favorite mug and inhale the intoxicating aroma. The scent alone is enough to transport you to a Moroccan cafe. Your spiced Immi coffee is ready. Enjoy this exotic, flavorful drink and savor every sip. Section 4. A sip through time. The ritual of Moroccan coffee. In Morocco, coffee is more than just a drink. It's a ritual, deeply steeped in tradition and rich symbolism. It's an art form, meticulously passed down through generations. Coffee is often prepared by the head of the family, using a special long-spouted pot called a berad, which is unique to Moroccan culture. The coffee is poured from a height, creating a beautiful cascade and enhancing the aroma, making the experience even more delightful. The first cup is always offered to the most senior member of the family, a sign of deep respect and honor. Coffee is sipped slowly, savoring each drop, while engaging in meaningful conversation and laughter. It's a time to connect, to share stories, and to strengthen bonds with loved ones. It's a beautiful reminder of the importance of community and the preservation of tradition through the simple act of sharing coffee. Section 5. Beyond the first sip, moments to savor. Imagine yourself in a traditional Moroccan riad, a courtyard filled with the scent of orange blossoms. The air is fragrant, carrying the promise of a serene evening. The sun is setting, casting a warm glow on the intricate tilework. Each tile tells a story, reflecting the rich history and culture of Morocco. You take a sip of your spiced Immi coffee, the flavors dancing on your tongue, the sweetness of cinnamon, the citrusy cardamom, the warmth of ginger. Each sip is a journey, a blend of spices that awakens your senses. It's the perfect end to a beautiful day, a moment to reflect and unwind. But Moroccan spiced coffee isn't just for special occasions. It's a tradition, a daily ritual that brings comfort and joy. It's a delightful pick-me-up on a chilly morning, warming you from the inside out, a comforting companion on a rainy afternoon as you listen to the gentle patter of raindrops, or a sweet treat after a delicious meal, a perfect end to a culinary adventure. Enjoy it with friends, family, sharing stories and laughter, or simply savor it on your own, finding peace in solitude. Let the aroma transport you to the heart of Morocco, to bustling markets and quiet courtyards, even if just for a moment. Close your eyes, breathe in deeply, and let the magic of Moroccan spiced coffee envelop you. Section 6. From Morocco with love, a taste of tradition. As you sip your spiced Immi coffee, remember that you're experiencing more than just a beverage. You're tasting centuries of tradition, a blend of cultures, a symphony of flavors. The warmth of the spices, the rich aroma, the comforting ritual. It's a sensory journey that connects you to the heart of Morocco. So go ahead, brew a pot of spiced Immi coffee. Share it with loved ones, share the story of its origins, and let the flavors transport you to a world of warmth, hospitality, and tradition.